Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew USA passport for minor. So just a quick reminder that you cannot renew your child or a minor's passport online. You're going to need to renew their passport in person. Now here at travel.state.gov's official website, you can see steps and guidelines to renew your child's passport. So first, you may want to fill out the form DS11 and print it. So here you can download the PDF file, then make sure that you fill it out correctly and accurately. The next is get evidence of child's US citizenship. Of course, it could be your child's birth certificate. So you must submit one of the following documents, or it could also be consular report of birth abroad, certificate of citizenship, undamaged, valid, or expired US passport. Then the next step is show your relationship to your child. So it could be a foreign birth certificate, adoption decree, divorce or custody decree, a court order, or simply a US birth certificate, just that it shows your child's US citizenship and relationship to you. Next is, of course, get parents or guardians' photo IDs. And the most common photo ID is a valid or fully valid driver's license. Next is, of course, provide photocopies and more documents. So both parents or guardians must give approval. They can issue a passport to their child and be present with the child to apply in person. So the next step is, of course, get a photo of your child. Head over to the passport photo page for photo requirements and to see examples of photos. Make sure that you do not attach or staple your child's photo to the form. And the next step is, of course, pay the fees. So here are the fees depending on the application or document. And of course, the $35 facility acceptance fee. Next, of course, since you're going to apply in person, you must find a location to apply with your child. And lastly, of course, in the same page, you can track your child's application status just by clicking on the application status link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!